Okay, Joe, you gotta also be on standby for game.
Owen sound. Owen sound.
So that's, yeah, that's the kind of thing that's needed for
Okay, give it to me.
Okay, hi, my name is Jody Dawson. I am a parent of a child who receives a liver transplant. She had it at age 2 at St. Kitts Hospital in Toronto. She had a viral infection which attacked her liver, and we had less than a week to receive a liver. Apparently her liver came from out west, from a little 7-year-old boy, and she's doing extremely well right now. And we are very grateful for the family who donated the liver of the boy.
Would you ever like to meet that family?
Yes, we have written them a letter, and we wrote a thank you to the family, expressing our gratitude for our daughter.
So, what do you think of George addressing the critical shortage of organ donors in Canada?
I'm strongly for it. We benefited muchly with the life of my daughter. We probably wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for the donation.
Okay, thank you.
Nice. Did you get that, Joe?
What? That's nice.
Wow.
Fantastic.
And I don't know if you have any donor cards you can leave.
Yes. Now here's.
Get those at some point today.
How are you, Sam?
How'd your walking go today? All right?
Yeah, it went okay.
Did you run into any glitches on the road?
Nah, none at all, brother.
Well, at least a nice day
These
to walk,
people
eh?
of Owen Sound are very polite and very courteous.
Beautiful work.
Absolutely.
Beautiful day.
Yeah?
Now we didn't have time to make all the donor cards for all the.
fine.
But here's the way we simplified this: was that this could be a kind of a cut and paste job, where if you cut out the Owen Sound letterhead, pasted it, and so far we found that most of the printing places in the communities will pay for the cost to, yes, again, assist to make the donor cards available. So they'll be available here for all the people of Owen Sound to. Yep,
then?
absolutely.